Welcome to my new apartment. I can't believe I'm sitting here filming this in my new apartment. I've been talking about it non-stop, hyping it up, and I'm officially here. We did it, y'all. There's absolutely no way I would be sitting here in this place without you guys. So before we get into this, I just want to remind you that this is our apartment. I may physically live here, but you are with me. Every time I film in here, it's for the both of us. If you guys did not see my last video, it was me packing up all of the stuff from my old apartment with my mom and my dad and preparing to move into here, so you should definitely watch that before this one. It'll give you a lot of context. But that Friday, Bryan, Carrie, and my grandparents, Mimi and Papa, came to help me move, and it was so special. Seriously, I don't think I would have been able to do this by myself, so having my loving family with me just meant the world. So cue me moving in. Go Mimi! You good?
I'm great.
Here. You don't have to take the steps.
I'm gonna do it a few times.
First load of laundry ever in my own apartment. This is awesome. I love having a washer dryer.
You're gonna separate them, right?
Nope.
Whites and darks?
Nope.
This has been our life for the last 2 hours. Carrie,
Yes, dear.
crushing it.
Oh my gosh. Muscles.
Honest day's work.
Honest day's work. Papa putting in work.
Let's get on that mattress.
Let's get after it, brother.
So far, so good. Bed frame built, closet coming together, and my lovely neighbor. Let's unpack my closet together.
Carrie and Papa, what you working on?
Bookshop.
Means, you working on the closet?
No, she's in the bathroom. I'm in the closet getting it all rainbow order. And Mimi, what are you doing?
What I always do.
Build a
freaking
bed?
for the 17th time.
This bed has came with me for like 10 years now.
How many times I gotta rebuild this bed? This is the last time I'm building it.
Yeah, I think this is like the 5th time.
Seriously, last time. We're done with it after this time.
You got to get me a new bed then. Honestly, I thought I recorded more of the move-in process, but it was so much work, y'all. We started packing my old apartment that morning at like 8 a.m. and we didn't get done unpacking everything here till like 6 p.m. So it was just a long day. Now I'm gonna give y'all the apartment tour. Mind you, this is not complete. Obviously, this is a new space, a bigger space. So with that comes needing to buy more decor, find pieces that fit the space. I also have a balcony here, and I did not have a balcony in my old apartment. So I need to get outdoor furniture, but I 100% am working with what I had before. I love the way I decorated my old apartment, and I'm reusing a lot of that same stuff. But I got all unpacked, and I'm so excited to show y'all the space that I will be living in. This is where I'll be for the next 13 months. But for now, this is what it looks like. All right, here we go. This is my front door. So I will be doing it from like this point of view. Imagine I'm you. I walk through the door, and this is my view. This is the overview of my kitchen and my living room. We'll get there. But immediately to the left is my pantry, and I did not have a pantry in my other apartment. Ta-da! It's very bare and empty. There's a whole lot of just snacks right now because I haven't been to the grocery store in a little while. So that's the pantry, which I love so much. To the right of the door, we have another closet, and my big mirror is right here. But I like it here. I think it gets a big overview, makes the kitchen look bigger, even though my kitchen's huge. I just love everything about this place. Here's the other closet. This I'm kind of using just as storage. There's a lot of random stuff in here. We have my suitcases, PR, just some jackets hanging, extra bags. My guess is it will become more useful as time goes on. From the closet, we're gonna go to the kitchen just because I'm so excited to show y'all everything. So many cabinets, and y'all, I have an oven. If you know, you know, my last apartment didn't have an oven and I would constantly complain about it because who doesn't have an oven? I feel like that's such a standard cooking thing. And since I never had one, I never was able to bake cookies or make a frozen pizza. So your girl's very excited. I have cookie dough in the fridge and a frozen pizza that I'm gonna make with some girlfriends soon. And I'm gonna use the damn oven. There she is. I love her very much. All of the appliances are brand new. So we have this perfect microwave, perfect oven, perfect stovetop, double sink, which is really nice. And I have a garbage disposal, which I didn't have in my last place. So I love that there's 2 sinks and a full-size dishwasher. My mini dishwasher didn't bother me in my last apartment that much, but this one is just huge. There's so much storage space. So here's all like the cleaning products. I haven't even taken up all the space in here. See, that one's empty. Up here is like spices and cooking things. There's just so much amazing storage and space in here that I did not have in my last place. My Mimi organized the whole kitchen, as y'all saw, and I love when she does that because she knows so well where everything should go. She did it in my last apartment and I'm just keeping it how she left it because it's perfect. And I have an island. I love having this island. It's so nice to just come in, put your stuff down. I'm using the same 2 bar stools from my last place, which also fit perfectly. So glad that those were able to work out here too. The island also just has lots of storage, which is really nice. And my candy jar, because everyone that comes over loves to have a little treat. Obviously, here's my fridge, and I have an ice maker, y'all. Like, it's the little luxuries. I will never take an ice maker for granted again because I would make my ice in this thing every time and it was fine. An ice maker and not having an oven isn't the end of the world, but it's just so nice to have these little luxuries. And this fridge is ginormous. It's huge. There's so much space and storage. I obviously need to go grocery shopping. Directly to the right of my kitchen is a bathroom, but we will go over there in a little bit. I want to continue with the living room. I have this shelf right here, which was under my TV in my last apartment. I obviously need to spend some time decorating it. It's not very centered on this wall, but I want to get pretty tall plants and then put pretty artwork here. This is a work in progress, but I do like the shelf for storage and things. Here's my little AC controller. So fancy. I can control this with an app on my phone. And now we make our way to the living room. I hope the first thing you notice is my brand new couch because I'm so excited about this. I don't know how many times I complained about my old couch because it was terrible. Your girl just didn't really know what she was doing when I bought furniture my last time. So this time I had my mom help me and find the best couch. It's so comfortable. I'm 5'8" and I can fully lay down and sleep here. And it's soft and comfy and I just love it. So now when guests sleep over, they don't have to sleep on that terrible futon that I put together last time. And everybody that slept on that futon said it was the most uncomfortable thing they've ever slept on. Upgrades, people, upgrades. This is the same table from my old place that I got on Amazon. Same decorations and everything. I need some art to go above the couch. I have the same lamp and little blanket basket. And here's a bookshelf. I think it's so pretty. Brings a lot of color and light into this place. I love having my books on display because there's nothing more me. When you're sitting on the couch, you can look at all my pretties and you can see everything. So that's on the left. This is the right. Here I have a big window. On my windowsill, I just put lots of pretty plants and flowers. All my succulents. These are real flowers that I picked up from Trader Joe's the other day, and a cute candle. So now if you're sitting on the couch, this is your point of view. I have my TV and my desk. I really did not want to have my desk back in my living room, but I don't hate it. I actually really like it. I think it fits well here, and there's still a lot of space in between the two. This is where I get ready, where I film a lot. I store a lot of equipment and stuff in here. I work at this desk, and my TV fits perfectly on this wall. I also have a ceiling fan, which is such a little thing that makes a big difference. It just creates a lot of good airflow. Straight out of here, we go out onto my balcony. Y'all, I wanted a balcony so bad because I love to be outside. Like I said, it's not finished, but here's what it looks like. Here's my towel from where I was laying out yesterday. This is my little carpet rug that I had in my old place that's now too small to fit the space and the couch. I'm imagining getting 2 little chairs and a table to put out here, and I think it'd be beautiful with some plants on the outside. I've been out here on this balcony every single day, just stepping out, seeing the weather, tanning, eating out here, because it feels so good to be able to step outside and get fresh air. I just love that I get to have it, and I'm not taking it for granted. It's probably one of my favorite things about this place. I can't wait to continue to do life out here. It makes me so happy. Follow through here and leads you straight to my bedroom. You're like, dang, Katie, this looks awfully familiar. I kept the same setup in my last apartment because I really liked it with my 2 art pieces that I made myself and the cowboy hat. Let me show y'all me putting that up because it took a little while. I just measured out and calculated how it would look for me to hang the prints and do the same thing I did in my old room. So those 2 hooks are gonna be where my cowboy hats go on. If I measured properly, it should look good. Okay. I did it! So if you didn't know, I handmade these shell art things for my last apartment. It's upside down right now, but there's 2 of them, and I'm gonna hang these on either side. I gotta be gentle with this. The leftover command strips are still on here. These ones say they hold 10 pounds, and I don't think this is 10 pounds. I'm doing 4. These are renter friendly, and that's why I'm using this and not nailing them into the walls. I don't own this place, and who knows how long they'll be here. Time to hang these bad boys up. I'm using my phone for the level app. If you don't know, you need a level to make things even, and I don't have one. It turns green, and it's even. I'm trying my best. I did it last time, and it wasn't perfect, but it was good enough. Please pray. Shoot, we're not off to a good start. I don't know. There's no going back now. How does that look? Is it even? You know, I don't think it's perfectly straight, but it could be worse. I'll take it. Round 2 is harder than the first one because this is how you notice if it's very uneven. I hope they're even. Please be even. Wait, that's pretty freaking good. Here it is. What do we think? That one's definitely a little closer and a little bit higher, but like it's not terrible, right? Like if I manipulate the hats a little bit, I can make it look pretty even. I love the way that this looked in my old bedroom, so I really wanted to recreate it in this one, and I think it fits the space pretty well. I got a second bookshelf because I was running out of space on my other ones, so that's what it looks like. It's gonna become more full. I have room to add lots of books. I had these really cute decorations that I never had a space for in my last place, so they're here temporarily. Let me know if you guys like them here. We have my play buttons, my little nightstand. Here we have 2 windows, which I closed the blinds a little bit so it wouldn't be blinding. I feel like this is another if you know, you know sign. I don't have great luck with dressers, but this one is felt, so I can't overstuff it. My mom and I spent so long organizing this. Like, look how perfect it is. Everything has a home and it looks so amazing. And these drawers, like I said, can't be broken because they're not wood. There's a lot of storage. Everything fits. Here I have more pieces of art that I have to hang up that don't have a home yet. And then my big mirror. I love this mirror. I've had it for forever. It's been passed down from my parents for like ages, so I have no idea where you can get it from. We like actually spray painted this, so it didn't even come like that. I like that this looks so pretty in the background with my books and the art and everything. It's cute. She's cute. If we continue going on, here's the main door, and then we have the sliding barn door, which leads you to my closet. Y'all, this closet is amazing, and I love this door. It's just so fancy. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Here is my closet. I know it looks like chaos, but it is an organized mess. I can't even fit it all in frame. Up here is all of my pants and sweatshirts and hats, and then of course all of my beautiful hanging stuff in rainbow order. And y'all, my shoe rack fits in the closet, so it actually doesn't have to be in the center of my living room. It was so important to me. I didn't want this on display in the living room anymore. I'm trying to find a more effective way to make this look better because it's not the prettiest, but I'm working on it. And here I have like laundry sheets and extra towels. Just wait, it gets so much better. Laundry, I have laundry. I have a wash and a dryer. This is my dream apartment, guys. Another thing that I took so much for granted, I would go to my grandparents' house every time I needed to do wash because my last apartment didn't have one, and now I have my own. These are so fancy and nice, like full-size washer dryer. I've used it so many times already. I love it. It doesn't get much better than this, and it's so nice that it's in the closet. I just put it in there, and I don't even have to take them out the dryer if I don't want to. I'll just wear my clothes straight out the dryer. This is directly across from the closet, which I love. So much space to have so much fun and dance around in here. This closet leads straight to the bathroom. This is the same bathroom that I was pointing out in the beginning. This is a 1 bed, 1 bath, but I like that there's 2 separate entrances, so you don't have to go through my bedroom to get to the bathroom, because you had to do that in my last place as well. You can get in this bathroom straight from the kitchen, which is nice for guests. Here is a bathroom overview. This is what she's looking like. Let's start with this giant mirror. This is amazing. So much room, so much space, and look at these countertops. They're just beautiful. Pretty sink and lots of room. Then look at my shark bath mat. I got this at Target the other day. If this doesn't scream Katie, I don't know what does. I hung up some shelves over here, which I also had these hanging up in my old place just for some decorative stuff, and then also like necessities. I got these off of Amazon. To the right, the toilet, and I hung the same print from my other bathroom. I'm looking to get more art pieces for right here, and this is just a temporary home. This shelf was in my other bathroom because I didn't have a lot of storage, but I have so much storage in here. I'm not quite sure what to do with this yet. Here is my shower. It's beautiful and perfect. I hung eucalyptus up in my shower the other day because it's supposed to be really good for you, and it makes the whole bathroom just smell so amazing. I still have to use my bathroom shelf because there's no shelving here, but that's all right. It's not the end of the world. And then I have the same like shower curtain and same situation going on. This bathroom is so nice, so spacious. It's actually 4 times the size of my other one. The lighting is also 10 times better in this bathroom than my other one. So we can film get readies, all of the fun stuff in here. I could never film on my other bathroom because it was 1, tiny, and 2, so orange. And it has a fan for when you're going number 2, so I don't have to smell it. Straight out of here leads us back to the kitchen. This is just a storage closet, that kind of stuff. Nothing fun and fancy. That's it, y'all. This is my new apartment that I am in love with. Seriously, all of my prayers have been answered by this place. It checks so many boxes, and a lot of y'all were right about the one that I chose. I filmed me apartment hunting for another YouTube vlog, and I'm pretty sure this was apartment 1 that I chose, but the second unit. Y'all all guessed. You know me very well, and I'm so happy here, and I cannot wait to continue to decorate it and make it feel even more like home. If you're one of the people that guessed right about the apartment I chose, let me know. I'm very curious, and let me know your opinions on this place. Please be kind because I love it and kindness is important, but I would love to know what you guys think and if you think that's a great fit for me, because I do. And I cannot wait to continue decorating this place with you. Don't forget to subscribe because lots of moving content is still coming. We have to go shopping and decorate and do all the adulting things. So subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.